Equatable, a Flutter package that helps to implement value-based equality check. Have you ever wondered why do we need to check the equality of object instances? In this video, I will walk you through the reasons behind and how you can implement this equality check using Equatable package. Firstly, why do we need to do equality check? The reason is simple. If we didn't have the equality check, two objects with the same values are considered different instances. Whenever Flutter detects changes in any object states, it will trigger widget rebuild. So imagine if you retrieve data from HTTP network and parse into a model object class, then when you recall the same network request, same data returned and Flutter rebuild the screen again. This would lead to unnecessary rebuilds and bad app performance. Now, by adding equality check, two instances with same values are considered identical and Flutter won't trigger rebuild. This ensures only truly different states will trigger a UI update. All class in Flutter by default has no equality check. For example, I have created a person model class, and in my main file, I have created two person objects with the same name and age parameters. Now when I click on the elevated button, it will compare and check if both instances are the same. So when I click on the elevated button, you can see it printed out false in the console. This means that Flutter treats both instances as unique instances even though they have the same values. Now I will show you how to implement equality check on your model class using Equatable package. In this tutorial, we will be using this Equatable package, which you can find in pub.dev. Add these package dependencies into your Flutter project. Now coming to your model class, in any of the model class that you wish to implement equality check, make the class extends equatable. Then add an override to the pros getter method. This getter returns a list of all the properties that should be used to determine equality and hashcode. You can include only the required properties. For example, if you only want to check equality based on name, just add name variable in the list. As of now, we have added equality check to our person model class. Let's hot restart and try to click on the elevated button again. So as you can see, it printed out true, which both instances now recognized as identical by Flutter. In conclusion, Equatable is crucial in Flutter model class as it controls if widgets should rebuild. Make good use of equality check would highly increase app performance and most importantly, eliminates weird state behavior. If you have any question, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next tutorial.